And so what we do in the inclusion habits journey, just so you understand, it's got a number of intentional elements. So it's really built on the science of habit shift, because I want leaders to come to the end of the journey and start to do things differently for you to actually get a result from this. So, couple of elements. Firstly, and I should say this is a new introduction in having conducted our pilots with a number of NAWO member organisations. The new version of this is going to be mobile learning content, so mobile and micro. So we're very, very cognizant of the fact that people who are in operational role leaders are not necessarily at desks, they're out in the field. So it's 5 minutes a day on the phone. So really easy, and there's going to be, push notifications, and we can communicate easily with them. We will have some webinars. We've got some options around how that might work, which will help and coach people. We're going to encourage discussions, right? And where we can have, managers who might be in proximity or groups that might be in proximity, having some localized discussions. One big component of our journey is experiment. So it's not a passive journey. What we ask leaders to do is to experiment, which is, okay, with the knowledge that you're learning, what are you going to do? And we give them lots and lots of examples. And in fact, our measurement of the program is based on the experiments that they do, not the fact that we've just ticked a box that people have completed learning. And we've seen some amazing things from leaders in terms of the things they've come up with. Reinforcement. So via the app, we'll reinforce concepts, right? So if we're asking a few questions as we go, there are things that people will struggle with, we'll reinforce some of those concepts. And the app software gives us an ability to be able to do that. So what we're asking from leaders is 5 minutes a day, wherever they are, right? Whether they're on a train, on a plane, whatever, wherever they are, en route, quick 5 minutes, and that's it for the day, but really embedding slowly. There's public accountability around those experiments and what they look like. And finally, we do ROI reporting. So in looking at the actions leaders take, we look at the impact of those actions.